What's going on, you guys? Mr. Double Dork here. We got an old TV right here. As you can see, the picture is kind of messed up. That's because we're going to be using a magnet to see what it does to the TV. As you can see, it used to be normal, like black and white, but now it's all colored and whatnot. So I'm going to find something to prop my phone up on. If I even have anything in this empty room. Just give me 1 second, you guys. It's standing up right now, but there's nothing holding it. Yeah, see, it just fell. Okay. Okay, it's not perfect, but that's gonna have to do. So, we got an old Diamond D1 subwoofer right here. This magnet's pretty powerful. I damaged the screen just by going this far away. Look at this. Look at this. So I'm just gonna put it directly on top of the TV. Look at that. Wow. See what it does? Whoa, that's cool. It's like I'm making my own little cartoon. Whoa, that's cool. I'm just twisting the subwoofer around like that. You can see the rings from the magnet too. I think that is really, really cool. Look how it's all wavy. It's so cool. That is awesome. Alright, now it's in damage. Alright. Oh my goodness. How cool is that? Oh my god. Holy crap. That is just awesome. I don't care what anybody says. That's just cool. I honestly didn't think this magnet was going to be this powerful. Alright, I'm just going to sit it right off to the side right here. It's like the intro for the Cleveland show. All these wavy colors. Something from the 70s. That's cool. Alright, I'm going to put it on the back part here where the bowl is and everything. Whoa. Whoa. That part's not even working. What the heck? What on earth? Oh my god, that is so cool. Dude. Oh my god, that is just amazing. That is, oh my god. I do not care what anybody else says. That is cool. Crappy quality rainbow. See what it does down here. Doesn't do much down there, but I think that is really cool, you guys. Flip upside down. Oh, that is just amazing. Wow. I'll be right back. I have another one of these magnets somewhere, so I'm gonna grab that real quick. Alright, you guys, I am back. And fuck, my battery is 10% remaining. Okay. So I got a second subwoofer right here. Double the magnet power now. Oh my god. That is so cool. That is just amazing. Alright, I'm gonna put this inside of this one. Holy crap. I'm gonna keep them inside of each other like that. I think that makes it stronger. Oh man, that is heavy. This is a really cool experiment though. I'll just leave it on here. Isn't that just awesome? Let's change the channel. It's a boring show. By the way, the colors for all this right here, that all used to be red. So this is when your cable goes out, you have a bad TV, and you're bored, don't know what to do, just grab a freaking magnet and an old TV, and yeah. This is what color the menu is. Whoa! Rainbows! Da-na-na-na. I think the Nyan cat would like